Okay, so right now I'm going to show you what we do during a sewer camera inspection. If you ordered this service, this is what it means. So this here is a sewer clean out access. So now we're going to take this camera reel. This is the camera right here. You can see it's got a light on it. That's a high definition camera, self-leveling. So we're going to insert this into here. Okay, so I'm pushing in now, and if you go to the monitor here, just see what it looks like on the ground. Oh, here we go. Okay, now you can see a lot of roots here. So we gotta definitely have a significant root intrusion on this sewer inspection right here. It looks like there's an offset there in the pipe, and the pipe might be broken right here. So now I'm going to have to get my locator out and locate this spot, whether it's under the street, the sidewalk, or the front yard. Okay, so this is our locator. This is going to help us find the root blockage that we saw underground. Okay, so we located this root intrusion here. It's about 10 feet underground. About 10 feet underground. So right here. So now we're going to mark that. Going to put a little green paint right there. Okay, so we located the root intrusion. As you can see, it's pretty significant right there. And there's an offset in the pipe, so they may need a spot repair right there. In this case, we were able to reach the city connection, which is a good thing. We did encounter some roots along the way. The hydrojet will easily clear that out, but they may need a spot repair. So after the hydrojet, we'll get re-inspected again with a camera and see if there's a broken pipe there. So good news, we got to the street, and not so good news, we got roots, but that can easily be cleared out. This is what this service entails. This is the clean out access and the ground. Sometimes they're on the wall, but we're only inspecting from the front of the building to the street. Just want to be clear on that. A lot of people think we're going to do every pipe under the house. That's not how this works. This is what a sewer camera inspection entails.